Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your bait inside of Webfishing. So when you're inside the camp, or the main spawn area here, you can go into this main building, and you can talk to the Mac Daddy Toad in the back, and he's got all of your major upgrades, from upgrading your rod and your reel to increasing your camp tier list, or tier level. And what you want to do here is buy an additional bait license. And essentially, once you get enough money up until the unknown camp tier, which you have to upgrade to tier 3 or 4 to get, as you upgrade your camp, you can pay money to get higher level licenses to unlock things like fishing with crickets or fishing with leeches, which I will upgrade to leeches. And then once you've done that, you might go out and put on your rod and reel and say to yourself, you know, Larry, it's the funniest thing. I noticed that my old bait is still equipped. How do I change out my bait? And the simple answer is you don't talk to the mole or anything. You just hit B to open up your fishing supplies, and then you can click on either no bait, worms, crickets, or leeches, and then you can switch between all three of these at any time so that you're continuously fishing, you know, for 15 or more different fish before you have to go back to the bait shop and then refill on your bait here. So I hope you found that helpful. This has been a brief look at how to purchase upgraded bait, how to equip it, and how to restock it inside of Webfishing. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy fishing.